Well, I am delighted to be here with Amy from the Regional Water Providers Consortium, and we're going to be talking about water use in the summer because it really is a whole different world for watering. So first of all, we want to conserve water. I think a lot of us, gardening especially, we love our yards, but we want them to be beautiful, healthy, but we still want to save water.
Yes.
So what are some steps that we can go through to do that?
Yeah, so it's really important to actually understand how much you're putting on your lawn. So a lot of us just turn our sprinklers on and we don't actually know how much water is going onto the grass. So we actually suggest signing up for the weekly watering number.
And what does that mean, a weekly watering number?
So the weekly watering number is a number that we'll send out to you. We recommend about 1 inch a week to water your lawn.
Okay.
You can sign up at regionalh2o.org.
So I have to stop you right there though. How do I measure water that I use on my lawn? That seems like a process.
Yes, that's a great question. So you can actually use a tuna can.
Oh.
So we suggest putting 2 tuna cans out. You'll do one next to the spray head itself and one a couple feet away. You'll turn your system.
Why do you do that? I mean,
yeah, so you're going to want to average the two of these.
Okay.
Just to,
because there's different amounts going out.
Exactly.
Okay,
yep.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so that's going to help you get the best estimate for how much that water is going down. So what you'll do is you'll turn it on for 15 minutes, turn it off, and take an average of the two and see how much water actually is going into the can in that 15 minutes.
And then that gives you a specific amount of usage per that 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, exactly. And then that's going to help you establish that schedule. And our website has a great chart on there that will help you break that up into 2 watering segments for the week. And
so if they go to the website, they can get that information and then they can double check that their facts are accurate, because you guys have so much information on there. And then when they sign up, you'll help us all remember this is happening now. It's going to be hotter this week. Yep. Do this. And so what other ways can they save water when they start doing this for themselves? Yeah, so this will just give them a really good idea of this week it's a little warmer. It's according to your zip code, which is great. So nice. Specific to your area, how much water that you're going to need. So really just helping you getting that weekly reminder of exactly how much water you need to put down, and you'll really get to where you know how long your system. It becomes a habit, doesn't it? Your system will, you'll get to learn your system really well. Well, there you have it. You've seen us several years in a row now talk about being wise with the use of water, and we always go to Regional Water Providers Consortium for that information. So if you're thinking about doing this, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website, get all the information, measure your water, and use it wisely. Amy, what a pleasure. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much.